Marlin 1894S in 44 Magnum. Got the whiskey sours, or Sig Sauer whiskey 3 scope on it. Gonna be shooting the Lee. What are you? 240 grain round nose, powder coated, cast bullet. My hand load at just a little over 50 yards. Yesterday I took this out. I was gonna shoot it, and then this ice is very slippery, and I fell right on that gun really hard, the hardest I ever fell on a gun. I thought for sure I broke it, but it doesn't look broken. Everything except for this sight is a little bit screwed up now, so I have to glue that back in there. So, you know, take a shot, see what happens. Yep, impact is about 10 yards in front of it. That sounds like it hit something. Yeah, this hits about 7 yards. I'm gonna have to adjust. Well, I adjusted the scope all the way up, and I don't think it's gonna be enough. I did hit the target. I had to come up 20 inches. Here's my problem. My scope mount bent.